Hey, so today we're gonna be upcycling this dress to this skirt. So first I've marked my starting point at my waist and I'm gonna measure 18.5 downwards. This will be the length of the skirt. So I'll cut that out. On the waistline also I measure 3.5 on each side and 5.5 at the down part or the hem part, and I'm gonna cut this out. So basically I'll be needing the middle part of the fabric, not the sides, but I just saved that in case I'll be needing it later, because the fabric I'm working with, I'm managing it, right? So I've gone ahead to indicate the up sides. Even though I don't need the two piece of fabric, I just indicated it as well and I took that aside. So for this middle fabric, which is what I need, I've kept it aside and I've gone ahead to the remaining fabric I had. I cut out some square shapes which I'm going to gather, and that will replace those side fabric. So I've used needle and thread and gathered the fabric, and I'm going to stitch on the middle part which I have saved. And this middle part is longer. I made it longer by 5 inches. And cross check the measurement of your round waist to make sure before joining the front piece and the back piece like I'm doing here. So you can always adjust the gathered part before you stitch it together. So this is what we have. Now for the waistband, I've gone ahead to take the remaining part of this dress and I measured the 4-inch or 3-inch, and I've cut that open, and I'm gonna be adding some fabric to the end of it because it wasn't enough, so I had to join some fabrics to make it enough. And I'm gonna get ahead to stitch the side together. Just close it up right there and fold it into two like so and stitch it. After I stitch it, I'm gonna leave, you know the deal, the drill rather. I'm just gonna leave a little hole there so that I can insert my elastic through this hole or gap. So that's just what I'm doing, and I'll pin the ends together and stitch it and cut the excess and just let it through. So I'll be stitching this band of elastic to the waist, and I've done that. So here I'm pinning some little lace fabric I have just as a design, and that's just what I did here. And there you have it. Like, give this a try, let me know. Bye.